Welcome to LNP Renewable System Emulator. Today we are going to see some of the basics of PLC ladder logic. Okay, if you are a building management system engineer or a BACS engineer, okay, some basics you have to know regarding this ladder logic. And if you missed out this session, already we had discussed in part 1, 2 and 3. If you missed out those part, we had provided the link in the description. By referring that link, you can watch the missed out things in the other parts. Okay, because if you listen that part, this part 4 will be still more interesting for you. Okay, so today we are going to see the latching and unlatching concept in the PLC logic, how it is done. See here, there is an example here. Okay, as we told earlier, in the Allen Bradley PLCs, we will use the latch and unlatch, and in other PLCs, the same concept they had used as a set and the reset bit. Okay, you see here we had consider two inputs, input 1 and input 2. Okay, and the motor 1 or M1 memory 1 we are going to enable. We are going to latch it with the help of that. We are going to enable an output. Okay, see, instead of in the part 1 session we had discussed if then function with the latching concept also within the simulation video. So normally what we will do, if there is an output, we'll put one more NO contact and we will connect it here, so that if the switch is on, once the switch is on, immediately with the help of this latching support, the output will be running. Okay, like this we can make it enable. Or okay, with the help of this latching concept, instead of creating anything new contact in the parallel, immediately with the help of this latching concept, with the help of a single concept, a single memory, we can enable the output. Okay, now let's see the simulation how it works.
Okay,
We
how
have input 1.
latching and unlatching is performed inside the PLC. Okay, basic latching and unlatching we are going to see now. Okay, see here we have considered two inputs, that is I1 as input 1 and I2 as input 2. Okay, our eventual our output is M1. Okay, that is the latching memory using is M1. Oh, simulate this program.
See,
See
now
here
we
this program.
enabled
We're going to
the
simulate this
simulation.
program. See
Okay,
here.
now we're going
Right
to
now
enable
we
the
have
input
enabled
switch 1.
the I1.
Immediately
So
it got
it got
latched.
latched
Because of this
and we are
latching, the
getting
output
the
is on.
output. Okay,
Okay,
we are having an output. See, now what we are going to do.
and
Okay,
if you enable
we are making
input
it
2,
off,
immediately the
but
unlatch will happen.
because what is the
Okay,
difference
if the
between the
switch
normal
input,
output and this
even in
input
the
is that
input 1 is
this is a
off,
latched one.
what is
In the
happening, the
normal
output is
output,
still working.
if the
So
output
this
is
is the
off,
concept of
if the input is
latching.
off, the output
Okay,
will also be off. That is, the
and if
switch
you
is
enable
off, the
input 2,
output will
we
also
can
be off.
immediately
In the previous
unlatch the
example, we
memory
can
and
see
we can
how
make the
logically we can do
output
latching.
off.
Okay, and in certain PLCs we have a specific function.
See here,
Okay, to
now
do
what we are
latching.
going to do,
Okay, to
and
do
if you
latching
do
option. So here this is
um,
an example that we are
latching of
doing here. So now what we
input
did with
2,
the help
that is,
of
if you
input
make
1, we
input
latched
2 on,
M1.
we can
So we are getting
enable the unlatching
output 1
property of this
continuously
memory
on.
1.
Okay, now what we are going to do for the unlatching. So
See
that
here,
is for the unlatching. So
so
when
we
we enable
enabled
the
input
I2,
2,
what
immediately we unlatch,
happened?
the output
The
is off.
M1 got
This is how the
unlatched, the
latching and
memory 1
unlatching
got
concept
unlatched.
we can
Now see,
implement
there
in the
is no
latching.
output.
This is the best
Okay,
example of a latching and unlatching concept that we had used in the simulation.
so now the input is on. So here.
This is an example program. Okay, see here we have only one output, that is a motor. We are going to operate this motor with the help of the 4 switches and one sensor, that is two switches for starting operation, S1 and S3 for starting, and S2 and S4 for stopping. Okay, and even sensor 5 if required as a condition we can use in the logic. See here, so now we have to create the IO list. Okay, we had assigned the addresses in the Allen Bradley PLCs or a Siemens PLCs. Okay, for the inputs we assign addresses input I1, I1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 like that. And for the sensors we had assigned 1.5. And for the motor we went for a Q4.0. Okay, and if you want as a symbol, you can go for S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and for motor on, motor underscore on, like that you can use. Okay, see here, this is for on functioning of this motor with the help of this latch and on, like that is set and the reset concept. When the input switch 1 and 3, this is for starting, immediately it will set the motor to run. Okay, and if you enabled, okay, if you enabled switch 2 and 4, immediately we can reset, that is we can turn off the motor. And also we can give a condition with the help of this sensor. if normally the sensor will be in the NC contact. If any interruption happen, okay, if we position change from NC to NO, immediately we need to reset the motor. It means there is an issue. Okay, like that we can use. Thank you. Please subscribe, press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We had provided the contact details in it. And also, if you want to do projects with us, okay, we are for the solar power projects, that is on-grid and off-grid. We're providing design, installation, testing, and commission training supports. Also, you can contact us. If you want to do industrial automation, home automation projects. Okay, we are providing design, installation, consultancy, training supports also. You can contact us. If you want to do the metro projects consultancy, you can contact us. We are providing the consultant supports also. And if you want to do if you want to learn the basics of the automation, okay, if you want to know the ladder logic basics, you can contact us. We are providing the training supports for the colleges and the institutions. And also, okay, if you want to know the electrical vehicle basics, you can contact us. We are providing the training supports. We have provided the contact details in it. Thank you. Okay, so we had classified the session in the 4 parts. So we had discussed part 1, 2, and 3, and 4. If you missed out any of these parts, okay, we had provided the links in the description. By referring that links, you can able to understand the missed out parts. Okay, thank you so much.